Hi, my name is John Lloyd Samorin and I'm from Butuan City, Philippines. I'm currently a bachelor's degree student in hospitality management at Father Saturnino Oyus University. I have hands-on experience in the hospitality industry through my 300 works on-the-job training at Hukad sa Golden Kauri, where I honed my skills in food preparation, service, and maintaining excellent customer satisfaction. At university, I've gained knowledge in key areas such as food preparation, lodging operations, and front office management, which aligns well with the role I'm applying for, which is resorts worker. My skill in customer interaction and service have been complemented by my enthusiasm for work and dedication to excellence. I enjoy reading books, cooking, baking, and capturing moments through photography. These hobbies enhance my creativity, attention to details, and ability to learn and adapt. So, I want to participate in the summer work travel program because it's an incredible opportunity to gain hands on international experience in the hospitality industry. This program offers me a chance to immerse myself in a new culture, develop my professional skills, and build connections with people from diverse backgrounds. I believe this experience will not only help me to grow as an individual, but also prepare me for a successful career in hospitality by giving me valuable insights into global industry standards and practices. Most importantly, I'm excited to represent my culture while learning from others, making this a truly enriching journey. Thank you for considering me for this opportunity. I'm eager to bring my skills, enthusiasm, and strong work ethics to your team while gaining invaluable experience through this program. I look forward to contribute to your organization and making this summer an unforgettable journey. Thank you.